trust the choir to keep the flame of the spirit on fire. Master the love, master the care, like the sacred breath in the morning air. It's a conscious walk, a deliberate road, sharing the weight of the heavy load. Study the silence, study the word, hear the things that are seldom heard. Practice the art of being a friend from the beginning until the end. Master the love, master the care. They tell you be yourself and the world will be fine, but a true soul connection takes more than a line. It's an architecture built with care and with grace, creating a sanctuary, a hallowed space where your darkest of secrets don't need to be hidden, and no honest thought is ever forbidden. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Forever young. Forever young. In the light of truth, the world is a critic to point out the flaw, but friendship is governed by a higher law. Benevolence is the lens through which we must see the struggles you face to finally be free. I'll edit your chaos, I listen to your pain, like the sun coming out through the tropical rain. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a It's not an accident, it's a choice that we make to give more to the world than we ever could take in this roots vibration. Let the ego just fall. One love, one heart, answering the call. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, the song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Master the skill. Love is the root. Master the skill. We walk this earth thinking love is just a breeze, that it falls from the sky and puts our hearts at ease. But the roots of a brother, the roots of a friend, take our patient gardener for the branches to bend. It's not just about being who you naturally are, it's about how you listen when the soul has a scar. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Make each other whole, yeah. Make each other whole, yeah. When the world throws a stone and you stumble in the dark, a true friend won't judge the shadows in your spark. They offer a version of you that is kind, editing the mess that is tangled in your mind. Vulnerability is the key to the gate, sharing all the fears that we carry like weight. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. One soul dwelling in two bodies, practice the art, master the heart. Let's laugh the madness, the irony of life, a playful connection to cut to the strife. It's a long-term mission, a slow-growing tree. The more that I help you, the more I am free. In the rhythm of trust, in the globe of the truth, wisdom for the elders, a map for the youth. Friendship is a judge and to blame. We often get lost in the shadows of shame. But the brother don't look with a critical eye. He sees the truth beneath every lie. It's a conscious movement, a choice of the soul, to help a broken spirit become whole. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. When you fail and you think you've lost your way, I remind you of the light in the middle of the day. I let it the chaos inside of your head and speak words of life that were left unsaid. Vulnerability is the bridge we must cross to find the gold inside of the lost. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't just be natural, be intentional and kind. Leave the ego and the pride behind. In this roots rhythm, we learn to be free. In the reflection of you and me, send out a benevolent vibration, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Practice the love, master the skill, Jah provide the peace. Thoughts are a tangle, a mess of a vine. You can't see the logic or the master design. But sit with a friend and let the words flow. watch how the clarity starts to grow. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold, leaving the stories that have already been told, clarifying the vision, clearing the mind, leaving the static and the chaos behind. You're not the mess that you think you have made. You're just a person who's a little afraid. Let's rewrite the script, let's fix the scene, and find the person that you've always been. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold. We are builders of a temple that no eye can see, constructed in the silence and the honesty. It's not a natural forest, it's a garden we plant, with the seeds of our truth and the prayers we chant. If the walls are shaky and the foundation is thin, we open the windows and let the light in. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. When your mind is a city in the middle of a war, I'll be the peace you've been looking for. I listen to the whispers that you're scared to speak, and offer my strength when your spirit is weak. Benevolence is the blueprint, kindness is the stone. In this architecture, you are never alone. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. One vibration. Don't just be yourself if you're hiding behind the mask. Being truly honest is a holy task. Share the anxiety, the cracks and the dust. That's the only way to build the towers of trust. In this roots rhythm, the ego must fall. architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the architecture. Love is the plan. Jah guide the builders. Oh, na, na. Oh, la, la. Morning dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. Drum talk through the yard, slow steps in the rain. Every small thing moving, calling out my name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. See the smoke in the air, footprints by the door. Old words in the evening, ringing like before. I let the worry scatter like birds from the cave. When the night gets heavy, I breathe out your name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Life is too serious, the weight is too much. We lose the magic and we lose the touch. But a friend is the one who can find the joke and see the comedy in the fire and the smoke. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. The work of the art is meant to be fun. A playful connection, a resilient string to catch us when the bells of sorrow ring. Shared absurdity is the glue that will stick when the walls of the world get too heavy and thick. Don't be a statue, don't be a ghost. Laugh with the people that you love the most. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. you all, standing together so we never have to fall. It's not an accident, it's a blueprint we draw. Friendship is the highest form of the law. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be, safe from the storm and the raging sea. The architecture of trust, the design of the heart, mastering the skill, mastering the art. Of your sorrow and your pain, we'll build a shelter from the emotional rain. No judgment in the design, no pride in the stone. In this house of love, you are never alone. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be. Silence isn't empty, it's a space to be filled with the words of a brother whose spirit is chilled. We walk through the valley of ego and pride, but a friend is the person who walks by your side. Not just for the laughter, not just for the sun, but for the moments when you feel you're the only one. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration, one heart, one vibration. Bring me your shadows, your failures and shame. I won't look for the person that you used to blame. I'll give you a version of you that is bright. house of clay. Let the light of a friend wash the sorrow away. We're editing the story, we're changing the script. From the chains of the lonely, our spirits are stripped. In this dub vibration, we finally see that loving each other is what sets us free. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Hear the silence, master the art of this soul. One love, one love. Silence is a canvas, and words are the paint. I listen to the sinner, and I listen to the saint. It's not just being quiet while you speak your mind. He's searching for the treasures that you need to find. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love, a gift from the earth and a gift from above. Master the skill of the listening ear until all the shadows start to disappear. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love. hour by hour. Foundation laid in the soil of truth. From the wisdom of age to the fire of youth. The architecture of trust is a holy sight. Standing tall in the middle of the night. Built by the hands of a faithful friend. On a love that will never, ever end. If a crack appears in the middle of the wall, we'll fix it together before it can fall. No storm can shake what is built with grace. In this hallowed and sacred space, the architecture of trust is a holy site. Take off the armor. Take off the armor. Lay down the shield. There's a beautiful truth in the heart revealed, showing the cracks where the light can dance, giving our spirits a second chance. In the echo of vulnerability we find the sacred tie that truly binds. No more hiding, no more the mask. Being honest is our only task. I'll share my shade if you share your fear, until the path ahead is crystal clear. The strongest house is the one with no wall, where we're not afraid to trip or to fall. In the echo of vulnerability we find of trust. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. Beyond the failure and beyond the sin, it's a conscious choice, a frequency we find to be the healer of a troubled mind. That shows you the best and puts the critic in your head to rest. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. See the light, see the gold. When you look in the glass and you only see gray, I'll be the one to wash the shadows away. I won't see the failure or the things you regret. I see the goal that the world hasn't met. It's a deliberate vision, a benevolent eye, finding the truth beneath every lie. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh,